7 fast ways to make money online with zero income. Hello and welcome back to WealthMatic, your regular dose of wealth and millionaire inspiration. Here we talk about everything related to money, wealth, and success. Feel free to chill here as this is a place for you, future millionaires out there. Now these are 7 fast ways to make money online with zero income. In this video, we will go over the 7 best ways that you can make money from home in 2022. These 7 businesses are very profitable and unique ideas, and you need no money to start. People are more inclined than ever to make money on their own, to start something for themselves, and to simply pursue opportunities that provide them financial freedom. WealthMatic will get you started with that today by showing you 7 different techniques and strategies for making money from home. And if you've seen any of my videos, you'll know that I am not one for wasting time and prefer to get directly to the point. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go right in, right now. We will begin with the 7th business you can start today to generate extra money on the side. This is the enterprise I talk about the most, drop shipping. Drop shipping is the number 7 way to generate money from home since it allows you to sell items without having to touch them by leveraging other vendors. So you're basically the intermediary when it comes to drop shipping. This company is of high demand these days. The opportunities are many, and it is simple to get started. Number 6, and this is actually one of my preferred ways to generate online money since you do not need any special skills, education, or funds. Everything you need is in another extra item around the house, which I'm sure most of you have. And this particular approach of earning extra money on the side is utilizing the Mercari app. This is simply one of the finest ways to earn money from home because you don't need much money or skills to accomplish it. And the best part is that you can still do it all from the comfort of your own home by collecting some additional items you already have. And I, for one, made contributions to Mercari by trading some of my old clothes and shoes that I no longer wear. It's also the simplest thing in the world to sell on their app. Everything you gotta do is to open the app, choose sell, and then snap a photo of whatever you're selling. So choose an item you want to sell, then next, add a description, caption, and tags that are relevant to the item you're offering. Then you may pick your delivery price after filling in the item specifics such as the classification, the manufacturer, the item's condition, and the shade. Finally, you'll select whatever price you hope to sell your product for, then post it, and your product will be officially offered for sale. Another nice element of the site that I enjoy is that it allows you to get information on which goods are selling really quickly so you can sell similar popular items. 5th, this venture is a bit unusual in that it enables you to sell customized items through various channels. Print on demand is the name of this particular business. This company is fantastic since it allows you to offer a variety of customized items from the comfort of your own home without needing to buy them in advance. So print on demand refers to a collection of websites that you may utilize to conduct your company. On these websites, you can design t-shirts, caps, sweatshirts, and other items with your own logos or other personalization and then offer them to the buyers. Then, once a buyer has paid $30 for a t-shirt, you give the print-on-demand supplier $10 and they send it directly to the buyer, netting you a $20 profit. You can make big money with print-on-demand since you can offer an endless number of apparel items without needing to pay for them upfront. Number 4. Affiliate marketing is the name of the industry. You're basically selling other people's goods in return for royalty in this business. As a result, there are a plethora of firms and websites that provide affiliate programs. So, if you join a company's affiliate link and become an affiliate, and then sell a product, the firm will give you commission. To offer you an idea of exactly how much you may make, it all relies on your commission and the product's pricing. For example, if you sell a $50 product and get a 20% affiliate income, you will be paid $10 in as easy as 1, 2, 3. The number 3 method of making money online is through freelancing services. So if you know how to edit videos, trademark, construct sites, or pretty much whatever else, you may utilize that talent to provide for those who don't know how to do it themselves. The great thing about this strategy is that you shouldn't need cash to get started. Instead, you may use whatever abilities you currently have, and you can learn a limitless number of talents. There's a heck of a lot of free information on YouTube that you can discover how to do to expand your skill sets and provide to individuals in need. There are also a plethora of sites and apps to choose from. In addition, there are also several websites and platforms where you might post your free services in order to attract new consumers who are in need of it. Another strategy to get consumers for your freelancing services is to engage with people you believe will benefit from your services. If you understand how to use editing software, for example, you can individually approach YouTubers and ask if they'd be willing to pay you to edit their videos, saving them a lot of time. As a result, this may be a lucrative home-based company. To summarize, freelancing is a way for you to earn money from the convenience of your own place. Now we move on to number 2. Drop servicing is a unique strategy that is comparable to freelancing, but you can scale up quickly and gain more profits because you'll be supporting other individuals. So rather than doing the job yourself and wasting your time doing it, you'll be pushing other individuals to do it for you in this business. As an example, if a YouTuber pays $150 to edit a video, you will hire someone else for $40. You keep the $110 difference if you hire someone to do it. As a result, this business is a fantastic concept because you're not confined to simply yourself and the time you have. You can not only start this business with no cash, but you can also build up quickly and make a lot of money easily. So you only have a certain amount of hours in a day. But if you use other people to create money, you're also utilizing a lot of time. And finally, number 1. This strategy is quite famous actually, and it has made many individuals renowned and wealthy. It's what you're currently seeing me on, and that, my buddies, is the one and only YouTube. On YouTube, you get paid based on how many views your videos receive, and it can be incredibly profitable if you expand your network and make it more popular and popular. So while that's possibly the coolest method because you're building your brand image and what your brand personality is, and you'll be able to diversify your revenues and sources, and that isn't the only option. As an example of this strategy, many users on YouTube create hilarious video meme collections and then submit them to YouTube. And because these videos have a large audience, they might give you a sense of how much cash you can make on YouTube. So, there you have it. 7 magnificent ways to generate money from home in 2022. So I hope you folks found this video useful, and I really hope you start studying at least a few of these ways because you'll be setting yourselves up for future success. If you want to elevate your life from the one you have to the one that you deserve, click the subscribe button right now. This has been the one and only WealthMatic, and we'll see you on our next video.